Welcome back everybody to our Firestick series, where I'm going to be going over tips and tricks and small fixes for your Firestick in relatively quick videos. In today's video, we're going to be going over 3 ways to reset your Firestick. Now, depending on what's wrong with it, you may want to start at method 1, you may want to start at method 3, and I'll kind of walk you through which one you should do in this very quick video. Very quickly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below what Firestick trick video you want next. Now let's go ahead and get into method number 1, which is going to be restarting your Firestick. Now this is for very simple issues without having to completely pull the plug. Now, a lot of people know when you click the off button on your Fire TV stick remote, a lot of the time your device just goes into sleep mode. But this is a way you can completely restart your Firestick on a completely new power cycle. So let's go to the settings menu right here, guys. We click on this little settings tab. We're going to scroll down until we find My Fire TV. Let's click on that. From here, we're going to scroll down. Now, this is the restart button. This is basically just turning your Firestick off, turning it back on. All right, very simple, small fixes. This would be the first step to try. Okay, apps not loading, stuff like that. Try this first because often, like I said, we don't restart our Firestick. So click that, click restart. Your Firestick will now power off and then power back on. It just takes around 1 to 2 minutes. So that is tip number 1 to restarting your Firestick. So let's get into method 2. Now this method is going to completely remove users' accounts off of your Firestick. Now, if you've loaded third-party apps on your Firestick, this is not going to remove those third-party apps off of your device. Instead, any Amazon app associated with that account will be removed off, including any user data. Okay, so this is great if you're selling your Firestick, if you're giving it away, and you don't want any of that stuff to go with it. So you're going to scroll down until you get to account and profile settings. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to see Amazon account. You're going to click on that and you want to click deregister. Now this is going to completely remove your account, guys, and any other account that you want on there when you go into their user profile. So if you want to not remove third-party apps, but remove all your user data, this is the way to reset your Firestick. Let's get into the third and final method. Okay, so the third and final method, your Firestick is completely, that's right, it is gone. The apps aren't working, nothing is loading. You need a complete factory reset. A soft reset will not do it. Let's go into doing a complete factory reset, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to our settings tab over here. We're gonna go down to My Fire TV. And you want to go to, let's scroll down, reset to factory defaults. Now, what does this do? This is going to completely reset your Firestick to how you bought it. Now, typically when you do this, you will have to do an update right after as well that I've noticed in the past. But any issues will usually be fixed with this in my experience. I actually do this usually once per year because I gain so much junk on my Firestick. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this video right here on how to fix your Fire TV stick remote. I'll check you in the next one.